How to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve 18. So it's very simple. So what you have to do is just click on effects right over here. Click on effects, so you'll just enable this tab, and in this tab you have a bunch of different options. You have title, generators, effects, filters, but you also have video transitions. You have video transitions, but what we're trying to do is to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So simply we can go to video transitions here, and from here we have a bunch of different transitions. So to add a transition, you need to have two videos close to each other, and between of those two videos we want to add a transition, and we don't have here any cut. So we just cut, I'll cut this, Control B, or just B, and now you can cut, and A to select. So now we cut this video, and now we can just head over here and look for a transition that we want. Addition, dissolve, I like this one, put it here. And now in transition we have a transition here, as you can see, and we can increase, as you can see here, the transition. And if you play the video, now you have the transition here. You also have some options here, blur, dissolve. Maybe we can also add a diamond transition. If you want to delete a transition, it's very simple. You can disable the transition from here, or you can if you want to uncheck, we can also add here this transition, cut the video here and add here another transition. You see there are some transitions that if you don't have DaVinci Resolve Studio, then you won't be able to use them, but that's only if you don't have DaVinci Studio. But if you have the free version, then you can use the ones that are free here. So yeah, that's a very cool effect, 3D effect. I grab this effect from here, flip 3D, and you have this flip 3D effect. You can also increase this effect from here, the duration of the effect, and now, as you can see, we have this effect. So I really hope, guys, you learned something in this short tutorial. I hope it saves you time, and so you can apply this effect, this what you learned. Hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.